So in this Pages tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to add an equation on the Pages iPhone application. So once Pages is opened up, which it is right now, I want you guys to go to the top and press on the purple square. And then in this top bar, it's highlighted on the Discover page right here. Slide to the right and then press the paperclip icon. And then all the way at the bottom where it says Add Equation, you guessed it, press that. Now once you're on this page right here, it can go ahead and show you some equations here. So you can go ahead and type in if you want. You can also just scroll here and see the equation. So for example, if you wanted to do the multiplication sign, the division sign, and the equal sign, and that looks good to go to the top right, press on Insert. And now if you were to zoom in a little bit here, which I will do right now and make a little bit larger, you have your equations, which you can then move around and put wherever you want. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to add an equation on the Pages iPhone application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.